Hey guys, it's TJ with Darpino Media. This week's episode, we're going to be talking about the fear of being on camera. I'm not really sure what to do with my hands. Alright, so tip number one is to always be yourself. Whenever you're yourself, people tend to gravitate towards you a little bit more. People tend to like you a little bit more when you're on camera because they can feel that. They can feel the authenticity that's coming from you. If you try and be, super over the top, charismatic guy, if you're not super charismatic guy, it's gonna feel a little bit weird. The truth is, people can spot a fake from a mile away. They don't wanna watch that. People don't wanna see you being a fake person. They wanna see you being authentic. They want to see you being real, and they want to see you being raw. Obviously, there is some sort of animation you have to put towards yourself, a little bit step above what you're used to being, just because you have to kind of convey energy through the lens. If I stood here and talked to you like, yeah, so this is what you want to do for the, yeah. That's boring. I don't want to watch that, and you probably don't want to watch that. So don't make other people watch that. Being yourself will win 10 times out of 10, I promise you that. Tip number two is to be prepared but go off script. You want to prepare yourself and you always want to be ready for what you're going to say on camera, but you don't want to just read from a script because that can feel very, I don't know, blah, I would say. It's always best when you have an outline and you have some talking points that you want to talk about, but not necessarily write every single word that you're going to say. See what sticks, what doesn't stick, what you think looks cool, what feels natural. In the long run, looking natural and feeling natural on camera is going to make you a whole lot more confident. Tip number three is to stop caring what other people think. And this is probably the number one tip that I can give to anyone who's doing anything. The number one reason people are scared to get on camera is that they're worried about the way they look or the way they sound. Here's a little secret. Everyone that's around you knows what you look like, and they know what you sound like. People are gonna judge you regardless. So whatever it is that's gonna make you happy, just do it. Tip number four, and my final tip, is to just do it. That's really, in the long run, the only way it's gonna happen. You have to pick up that camera, you have to pick up that phone, you have to put it in front of you, you have to press record, and then you have to post it. Create a YouTube account. Create something that is private, that no one else knows about. Record a video, just post it. Just getting over that little simple act of just pushing that post button, it will do wonders for your mentality. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope this helps you get over the fear of being in front of the camera. I promise you it's not as hard as it seems, and you will get better at it after time. So just keep doing it, and just push that record button, and good things will happen. If you did enjoy this, you can like, comment, subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Darpino Media. Until next time, I'll see ya. Oh. Well, this is awkward.